YouTube, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be doing another weekly spread in my classic vertical happy planner. I already mapped out what I have going on this week, and the color scheme that I picked, I was kind of inspired by these post-it notes, not gonna lie. I picked a yellow and black color scheme, and I know that it's the middle of winter, so yellow is not really a winter color, but I'm just gonna go with it anyway because yellow is one of my favorite colors. I already picked out the stickers that I'm gonna use, and then these stickers that I have here, these are actually custom stickers. I made these ones myself and I just cut them out whenever I feel like using them. Since I'm doing yellow and black, I feel like they're gonna match really nicely. Okay, so I have everything here that I need to track. This is a completely functional spread and every sticker here is serving a purpose except this one. I think this is like the only decorative sticker I have on here. I would like to add more yellow, so I think when I write things in, I'm gonna add yellow when I write it in. But these are all the stickers I'm gonna add, all the stamps and stencils I'm gonna include. So I'm gonna consider it done for now, and I'll just add it in as the week goes on, as I come up with more things that I need to get done. So I have my monthly goals here. I had 3 for the month. I did 1, so I have 2 left for the month. I have my weekly goals, which I separated into 2 different stickers. I think it spreads out the yellow a little bit more. I have an appointment, work to-do list, personal to-do list, day off. This is actually for a game I play, Animal Crossing. I'm gonna mark in that Daisy May is coming in. Don't judge. I have a whole bunch of hearts here that I figured I can use for like little things that I can get done. So instead of filling up this with little things, I can fill this up with the big things and do my little things over here. These down here are my calorie trackers. I track calories from Monday to Friday, and then I'll hit everything. So if you like the video, you can leave me a thumbs up, you can comment down below, and stay tuned for my next video.